Hi guys, this is Raina with nonbiasedreviews.com. Today I have a new gadget to play around with. We have a new awesome tool. We love technology. And you know how some like it hot and some don't. We do have today the BedJet. We're going to unbox it. I'm going to take everything out of the box and show you in details, piece by piece, part by part, what's inside the box and what they do specifically to help you stay or sleep warm or cool. Alright, so we have the Bedjet booklet first of all. Bed climate comfort system with remote control and Bluetooth app. So you have to download the app so you are able to play around with the settings. The app will look like the remote control. Super awesome. You get to control it. So, that's the manual, remote control. I'm going to set it up, put it together, and show you how I did it. And what you need to do, follow the steps on the manual or the instructions. Just to adjust. We also have the air nozzle right there. We have the air hose right here with fabric liner. And look at that, it's covered, so it's well done. It has fabric around it. Keeps it cleaner and better looking. To me, it's something very important. Alright, so we have the air hose. Now we have the very important piece here. It's called the Bedjet base unit. That's what it looks like. I'm going to attach the parts here to this vent. This is the switch, the dual zone switch. Right here, everything is around the switch. Alright, that's what's inside the box. I'm going to install it, put it together, and show you how it works. I'm going to go through the manual, of course, which is something you guys are supposed to do as well, step by step. Follow the steps, and you will get to enjoy a better night's sleep, cool or warm. Alright? So, in the meantime, I'm going to set it up and put all the pieces and parts together according to the manual, of course. Let me also show you what I have. Oh my gosh, that is something I'm very excited about. This is what I'm looking forward to really test. The comforter, dual zone comforter. This is awesome. Cooling, heating, provides this or that. I mean, hello. This cannot get any better than that. But that's for later on. Oh my gosh, it feels so soft. It also, of course, comes in different sizes. This is the queen size. Air comforter dual zone. Oh, this is fabulous. I can tell. Right, it tells you here on the comforter which side should be down. So it says this side down. So of course, obviously, I put it on the other side. Right. Okay, let's put that Bedjet together and show you the results. So here on this switch we have dual zone, low power or high power right here on that switch. We have assembled these parts together. Just follow the steps on the manual one by one. This is going to help hold the hose here together. This sits under your mattress, and it's for better, not just comfort, it's for safety. So always follow the steps no matter what. Hi guys, so it's been a couple days into testing the BedJet V2 bed climate comfort system. I want to tell you all about it and how it works, but first I want to show you again step by step, now that I'm almost an expert in setting this up. I want to show you how to set it up, how to take care of this unit. By taking care means you need to figure out how low your bed is and how you can hide it under your bed if it's high enough. There's a space between the floor and your bed frame, 7 inches. And so and most importantly, the remote control right here. You can download the app for free and pair it with your remote control so it can answer your device or play around with the buttons. There's more settings on your phone actually than the remote control itself. So let's set it up and show you how it works. So we have the unit itself first of all. That's how it looks like. Make sure there's a little button here. Click on it. This will open up. Make sure you take this out. Okay, that's very. To me, I would feel better if I don't see it. So it's aesthetically nicer if it's hiding. So I'm able to hide it under the bed. The air hose with fabric liner. Those are the pieces you will find inside the box again. Start the whole thing. Alright, first of all, this goes under the mattress. Now this is to adjust the height. You would think it's a lot of pieces to put together, but once you get used to it, and I can't believe I'm even saying that I'm the person who don't really like a lot of pieces and get very overwhelmed easily. But once you get used to it, it's really easy to set up. So yeah, just making sure. Okay. So air hose. You can adjust this piece, and I'm okay with that, especially that it comes with this fabric line around it, so it makes it nicer. I have no problem with that. There we go. Inside the box I also found the aromatherapy diffuser kit. It is something that I haven't played around with, but I'm very intrigued. I want to see how it works because I'm a fan of diffusing things in my bedrooms. So that's how it is. This is the setup. Done. It has been a cold few days here in Arizona, believe it or not, so we're going to do heat. And it's blowing hot air. I don't know if you can hear it, but this device, and I've tried it, like I said, it's been 2 days, and I was worried about the noise, but here, I'll show you how this sheet is moving. But this device, the noise, acts like a background white noise, which is something we usually use to put the babies to sleep, and I had no problem whatsoever. I think it helped me fall asleep. So it's on heat right now, and it is nice and hot and warm. And this is my side of the bed. Now, my BedJet box, inside of it, I have also ordered separately, or it came separately with the air comforter dual zone. This is something you can purchase separately. And I'm going to show you how it works. I think it's better if you purchase this comforter, and I'm gonna tell you why. I mean, it's worth it. You're buying the whole BedJet unit, might as well just complete the package and get the comforter. So the comforter comes with, see these holes, elastic holes, where the unit, the hose, the vent here, where it's blowing air, sits just perfectly inside of it. Watch this. It's blowing air inside your comforter. Now I like to put it on the bottom side so it's dispersing even air inside my comforter. See how beautiful this is? That's why I think it's a better idea if when you purchase the BedJet unit, consider purchasing the air comforter dual zone right here. It's amazing. And it's blowing hot air right now. And when you're laying down under this comforter, those sheets, believe me, you'll fall asleep in no time. So this is basically it. This is how you set it up. It's easy once you get used to it. Don't be overwhelmed like I was at the beginning. I opened up the box and I thought, oh my gosh, way too many pieces for me. I cannot handle this stuff. But I've tried it 2 nights now. This is going to be my 3rd night tonight because it's still cold out there. You don't have to have the comforter, but I think once you buy the BedJet unit, check it out, just read about it. You will change your mind and you will purchase it. It's really, really something you can use. It has holes where the air nozzle fits just perfect to blow air evenly inside your comforter. Look at that. It's almost like all over the comforter if you want. So it depends on which corner you might put this nozzle in. And like I said, download the app. So here's how the remote control looks like if you download the app. It's a free app again. Of course, you have to have your Bluetooth on so it can find the BedJet V2 device and it will pair automatically. And here are all the buttons you can play around with. I really prefer the app actually because it has more settings. Like I said, you have the air temp, timer, alarm, airflow. You can control all this and you can save the settings for the next time. The unit is hiding under my bed. It's on low and it's perfectly hot. Like this is the warm setting that I want. So no more arguing about the temperature. Also something that I have tried and tested was to put the nozzle on the bottom side of the comforter. I've tried the comforter and no comforter, so you can use your own sheets. Don't worry about this. But if you put it on the bottom, there's more air flowing evenly. So you'll get to enjoy it even better. if you want to share it with someone. You don't have to, but that's basically it. This is how you set up the BedJet V2. You can control it through the mode, through the app. It's super easy to use once you get the hang of it. You just get used to it. And most importantly, I think, and I haven't done that yet, but once we go up the mountains or the cabin, you can take the whole unit and travel with it, which is something to consider.